Okay, so here's my hydroponics rail system, which is just about complete. I have everything fitted up, all the holes drilled, the drain lines are all hooked up. You can see there's a fitting that I glued from the inside. That fitting, you can see, also has a little piece of PVC pipe in the top of it that I'm using to control the depth of the water. As the roots start to, or as the plants start and the roots dangle low enough, I'll be able to take that out. And this will leave about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch or so of water in the bottom of the rail, making it a true nutrient film technique. I think that's what it's called, system. These are the drain lines. They're 1/2-inch PVC. They're just pressure fitted. They're not glued. Going down to a main drain header. I added these extra caps on the end in the event that I want to connect up an additional drain line down on the other side. I'm considering doing some Dutch bucket system kind of things for growing tomatoes and peppers. I also added one here. The vision for this one's a little bit different. However, this one's going to be a nutrient addition line. I'm going to put an elbow on it and face it upwards. And then this little cap I can use for adding nutrients. Obviously it'll be adding nutrients from the top. This is also a pretty cool little drain line, or a flush line for the system. The whole system cost, I don't know, probably less than $200 for sure. I still have to add piping straps to this guy and to this guy to keep it from wiggling around. Inside here I have a little pond pump. I can't remember what the rating is on this one, but it ends up being able to pump right around 3.5 gallons a minute at 6 feet, and I'm at just about 5.5, 6 feet right now. So you go around to this side and you can see this is just straight up drip irrigation lines. Each one of these rails has its own drip irrigation line, and I kind of tried to make them as equal flow as possible, and I did that by making sure that the elevation of the supply line was exactly the same. That way the pressure was uniform. If you run a pressure line upwards, from the bottom this way, and you tap off at different points, you're going to get varying pressures and therefore varying flow rates through the system. So I still have